Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make lower thirds in your video by using CapCut app. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project. In here select black background. Now let's delete the ending and let's extend it. Now let's add some text. Add the text that you want to add in your video as lower third and put it where you want. I'm going to put it here. Let's add keyframes here. At the first I'm going to add keyframe here and at the last. Now I'm going to move my text here. And then you guys will find out the result like this. Let's export it and here choose your video. And add the video as the overlay. Now add it like this. Here put chroma key. You guys can also add speed on this. Now if you tap on curve option, then you guys will find out a great animation in here. Let's go back and now you guys can double it by tapping on the video and scroll like this. Then you guys will find out double option, make it double to find out this lower third again and again. So this is how you guys can make lower thirds in your video by using CapCut app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.